Today, we're going to look at layers in the Fireball Slicer. Layers allow you to specify different speeds and laser power levels for elements on your drawing. To manage layers, first import your drawing into the workspace. This can be done by dragging the SVG or DXF file onto the workspace or by clicking File, Import File. Once your drawing has been imported, you should see layers on the top right of the workspace. If your drawing contained colored elements, the Fireball Slicer will try to automatically assign a layer for each of the colors. A simple drawing will only contain 1 or 2 colors. Here, I've imported the Fireball logo, which consists of 3 colors. Let's assume that I want the logo cut out, the lettering outlined, the laser head lightly engraved with crosshatch pattern, and the beam of the logo engraved with a darker crosshatch pattern. I'm going to click on the laser head and assign a different layer to it by clicking on the green layer in the layer shortcuts. This creates a new layer in the layer list. Let's configure the outline first by clicking on the colored block for the blue layer in the layer list. This opens the layer configuration dialog. The material I'm going to use is 3mm MDF wood. I'm setting the power to 85% and speed to 250 millimeters per minute. This configuration should cut through the material on my machine in a single pass. Next, I'm selecting the black layer for the lettering. A power of 15% and speed of 2400 millimeters per minute gives me a satisfactory engraving. This completely depends on your machine and the experimentation you have done. Next, let's configure the laser head element. I'm also using 15% and a speed of 2400 millimeters per minute, but also selecting the fill option from the line mode dropdown. This opens up a new section to configure the engraving. For this element, I'm going to increase the line spacing to 0.5 millimeters, toggle the crosshatch and outline checkboxes. Next, select the last layer, which was automatically assigned to the laser beam element. For this layer, also select Fill Line Mode, keep the 0.2 millimeter line spacing, and also toggle the crosshatch and outline checkboxes. The order of the layers are also important. For best results, all your engraving operations should be done before cutting. Let's moving the cutting layer to the bottom of the list by dragging it down. You can also adjust the order of layers from the layers on the workspace. Now that all our layers are configured, let's export. Go to File, then Export G-Code, and save the resulting file to your SD card. Happy slicing!